Hello, friends. Welcome to the Archer and Olive channel. My name is Elizabeth, also known as the Joyful Sojourn on Instagram and YouTube, and I am a member of the Ambassador team this year. In today's video, we are going to be talking all about the Kit Club, and I'm going to share with you 5 ideas for how to use it. But before we get into the creative play, let's talk about what it is, just in case the Kit Club is new to you. The Kit Club is a monthly subscription service that has everything you need to create a cohesive theme in your planet or your bullet journal. Each month, you'll receive a new kit, which includes washi tape, stickers, collage paper, and a bonus item. Each month's theme design is seen in the envelope that you actually receive. I love that it shows the month and the year on the front. The decor is kind of a nod to what we're going to see inside. And on the back of the envelope, we see what month the theme is for. Today's demonstration is going to be using the May 2024 and July 2024 kits. They come in a clear binder sleeve. It's A5 sized and fits a 6-ring binder. I appreciate that they're giving us something to store everything in. First up is the washi tape. You receive 2 different designs, 2 meters each. Next is a bonus item that is unique to the May 2024 kit. It is a to-do list sticky note pad, which we're going to have fun with today. Next up is 8 sheets of scrapping and collage paper, 4 different designs. The ones that are super ornate are double-sided. The 2 that are dot grid are not dotted on the back. And lastly, you get 5 sticker sheets that follow the theme of the month. The first sheet is decorative. In this case, it's self-care and health related. The second sheet is a mix of boxes, decor, and we even have some emojis down at the bottom for how you're feeling. This is one of the more functional sheets. The top icons actually have gold foiled numbers on them for dating your monthly spread. Then we have our days of the week for your monthly or for your weekly. We've got some button icons and bullet lists down at the bottom. The last sheet has a lot of functional headers for setting up your planners. You have days of the week, words like to do and important, icons for different areas of your life, and banners and flags down at the bottom. We're going to jump over to the July kit because I do want you to see the cohesiveness throughout each month and show you a different example of what your bonus item might be. In this case, we have 2 vinyl stickers with a beautiful campsite image. Here you can see the washi tapes for this month, and the card that has the washi tapes on them actually changes designs to match the theme. I don't know about you, but that is something that's really important to me. If I'm getting a mystery box or I'm getting a themed kit or subscription box, I want everything to be cohesive and to follow the theme of the season or the theme of the box. And Archer and Olive really nails this across the board with their shop. Jumping into the sticker sheets, you can see that they follow the same template as the May kit, but everything is updated to match this campsite kind of camping theme. And it's really, really pretty. I'm excited to play with this one today. But in this first spread, we're going to use the May kit to set up a daily page that's a mix of to-dos and journaling. What I love about the paper that's included in the kit is that it is a much lighter weight than the 160 GSM paper that Archer and Olive uses, which means it's not going to add a lot of bulk to your page and it rips really nicely. Here I'm layering scrap paper, stickers, and even a stamp to date the page. Adding the day of the week finishes off the top corner. Because I'm a big fan of doing things creatively, decoratively, and functionally, I'm going to use a to-do list sticky note as a sticker and glue the whole thing down. That way I have my bullet list ready to go and it adds more color to the page. I've added a frame around the page and adding lines for journaling, and we are good to go. If daily journaling or planning is not really your thing, let me create a weekly spread using the Kit Club and stamps. I really like this layout because I don't often have a lot of things to do on specific days of the week, but I do need a lot of space for brain dumping. So I like having all of the days on the left side and then an open kind of brain dumping and creative space on the right side. This gives me plenty of room to write down all the things that I need to do, and then I can migrate them or assign them to specific days of the week on the left side. The collage papers in the kit are a B6 size, which I think works really well in the A5 if you want to put a whole sheet down in the center of the page. I've added the days of the week stickers, and I'm going back to the sticky note to-do list because I think it would be a really cool shopping list. So I'm just ripping it up to match the vibe, grabbing a little flag with a shopping cart on it, and now I've got a nice shopping list ready to go for the week. And we're going to wrap things up with adding some additional stickers wherever I just feel like we need a little bit of something. I also felt like my right page needed a header, so I added a stamp that says notes, and I added a don't forget on my shopping list. And and we are done. My weekly spread using the Kit Club is done. We've just seen 2 different ways to use the Kit Club in a bullet journal, but now let's talk about how to use it in a planner. This is the B5 Archer and Olive planner, and I see the monthly title page as premium real estate to make a big old mess. This is where you get to have a lot of fun just collaging paper and stickers and washi tape, whatever you want on the page. The paper quality is excellent, so really the sky is the limit. Just lay everything down however you want, however it feels good, and create the tone with the theme of the month. Our monthly title page is set, so the monthly layout is next, and this is super easy with the Kit Club because they give you all of the days of the month on these little icons, and it instantly transforms the page. Here I'm taking the days of the week stickers and adding that along the top and bracketing it with some washi tape because more is more. We could stop here because we've set the theme on the monthly layout, but I like to add decorative elements and give myself some prompts and some structure for writing additional notes. Here I'm layering some header stickers to create a notes section, and I'm adding lines just because I feel like it fills in the layout a little bit better and helps me write straight. This B5 planner has a lot of room, so I'm gonna totally take up space on that left margin to spell out the month of March, and I'm using the same sticker font for my to-do list on the right page. Finishing up the framing of the monthly layout, I'm using a mix of decorative squares and functional boxes down at the bottom, again, putting them kind of wonky to add some whimsy to the page. My 5th and final example using the Kit Club is in this vertical weekly layout. The first thing I'm doing is decorative dating. That is, I am changing up the dates that are pre-printed on the page and making them my own by laying down a foundation of washi tape that I'll build on with the days of the week stickers. And yes, I'm laying them down wonky, but bear with me, it all comes together in the end. I really wanted to use this collage paper just to add a little bit of depth to the spread, so I ripped off a piece to fill in the notes column, but I still wanted some functionality, so I'm taking the corresponding dot grid collage paper and I'm gluing it down so I still have some space to write. And because I'm a big fan of odd numbered layering, I added a sticker at the top. I'm adding lines just because it looks good and will help with my shopping list. To add a little bit more structure to the layout, I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes the vertical layout can be a bit intimidating because the column is so long. So I'm breaking it up by creating a top 3 list at the top of every day. This can mean whatever I want it to mean each day. It could be the top 3 things I need to get done. It could be the top 3 things I'm thankful for. It can be the top 3 funny things that my daughter said. In any case, it's adding a little bit of structure to the vertical layout, and it's giving us an opportunity to use these fun banner stickers, which help anchor the top 3 items to the top of the page. Once you've formatted your weekly spread functionally, you can have a lot of fun decorating with the Kit Club, whether it's ripping up paper, layering stickers, boxes, quotes. If you know that you don't have a lot going on a specific day, just have fun with it. If you know that you're going to have a very busy day, make sure you leave plenty of space for writing. I hope it was helpful to see me use the Kit Club in 5 different ways, whether it's daily journaling, making your own weekly spread in a dot grid journal, or setting up multiple pages in your planner. I hope that these ideas inspire you to be creative and to have fun. Which was your favorite spread today? Did you learn anything new? Leave us a comment down below. And be sure to find me at The Joyful Sojourn on Instagram and YouTube. My discount code at Archer and Olive is Joyful10. Before heading out, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.